Hi everybody, I'm Master Kelly. Welcome to the Flash martial arts lesson today. In this lesson, we're going to learn some flash moves, and we're also going to be gathering 3 of the Velocity 9 adapters. Now here's what's going to happen. On the screen down below, you're going to see 3 different timelines we must go to. We're going to go to the prehistoric era, the Middle Ages, and then we're going to go to feudal Japan. Now here's what's going to happen. We must complete the different challenges that I'm going to show you, so that way we get the Velocity 9 before the evil reverse flash does, okay? So before we start this video, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, because at the very end of the video, I'm going to be giving away a very special giveaway. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that. Let's get started with the lesson. Shall yet? Can ya? Awesome. All right, so right now we're in Star Labs. Let's go ahead and use the device that Cisco gave us to go to the prehistoric era. All right, the portal opened up. Let's go. Wow, looks like we are in a dinosaur land. Did you guys hear that noise? Dojo, do you hear that noise? Oh, I think some dinosaurs are approaching. Okay, to make sure we're ready for whatever challenges comes next, let's go ahead and start with a warm-up. Everyone shot yet? Can ya? Awesome. All right, let's start with jumping jacks. Just like usual, let's count to 5 in Korean. Everyone say hana, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Good job, you guys. Awesome. All right, let's start rotating our arms. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Good job. Awesome. All right, let's start swinging our elbows like this. Everyone say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Awesome. All right, let's stretch out our legs. This time we're going to go on one knee. We're going to stretch out our hip like this. Everyone say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Good job, you guys. All right, let's go to the other side now. Bending that knee. Okay, leaning forward. Everyone say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Good job, you guys. Awesome. All right, shake your hands, shake your legs a little bit. All right, shut it. Awesome. All right, let's practice some punches and kicks today. When I say fighting stance, we're gonna have a race. I want you to have one foot back, both hands up like this, so you can be the fastest. Ready? Fighting stance. And that was kind of fast. Ready? Shut it. Awesome. Try to be faster than the Flash. This is a Flash lesson. We got to be quick. Ready? Fighting stance. Awesome. Good job, you guys. Awesome. All right, start bouncing on your feet like this. Good. All right, here's the combination we're going to practice today. We're going to go, everyone show me a jab with your left hand. Everyone say jab. Good. Now we're going to take this hand. We're going to go short elbow. Everyone say short elbow. Good. Now we're going to go this hand cross. And then from here, we're going to do diagonal elbow. Diagonal elbow. Awesome. Good job, you guys. Let's do that again. Ready? Everyone go jab. Short elbow, cross, diagonal elbow. Nice, good job, you guys. Again, ready? Go jab, short elbow, cross, diagonal elbow. Good job, you guys. Awesome. All right, let's try to be faster than the Flash. Okay, we're gonna do that whole combination really quick. Ready? Go jab, short elbow, cross, diagonal elbow. Nice, good job, you guys. High five. Awesome, awesome, very good job. Is that? Whoa, I hear more sounds, more rumbling. Whoa, is that a pterodactyl? Oh, he got Dojo. Oh no. Dojo, where are you? Oh no, you guys. This pterodactyl has Dojo, and it looks like this pterodactyl looks a little different. It has blue aura energy. I think it has some of that Velocity 9. So in order for us to get Dojo back in the Velocity 9, we gotta fight off this pterodactyl. Okay, you guys, have my hands up, fighting stance. Awesome. All right, here's what we're gonna practice. We're gonna practice a jumping kick in order to kick up high enough so that way we can hopefully knock this pterodactyl out and get what we need, right? Okay, hands up like this. Awesome. All right, so we're gonna practice a scissor kick. So I'm gonna pick up this knee like this. Good. Now we're gonna jump and do a front kick with this leg. Okay, does that make sense? Awesome. All right, ready? I'm gonna pick up this knee and scissor kick. Awesome. Good job, you guys. All right, looks like we gotta do it a little bit more in order to get them out. Ready? Pick up this knee and kick. Awesome, good job, you guys. Try to keep your balance. Ready? Pick up this knee and kick. Awesome, good job, you guys. 2 more times. Ready? Pick up this knee, kick. Good, nice. 1 more. Let's see who can jump the highest. Ready? Pick up this knee, kick. Awesome, good job, you guys. Whoop. All right, you okay, Dojo? All right, looks like Dojo's fine. What you got in your hand, buddy? Oh, what's that? Okay, we got the first Velocity 9, so let's go ahead and put it in the timeline down here. Awesome, all right, now the next era we're gonna go to is the Middle Ages. Okay, so let's go ahead and open up a new portal. All right, let's go to the Middle Ages. Awesome, wow, looks like we're in a really crazy castle. This is pretty cool, you guys. All right, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to be fighting off some different dark knights that are going to be coming at us, some black knights. What we must do is we must practice our punches and kicks in order to defeat them, and maybe we'll find velocity 9 here. Okay, does that make sense? Awesome. All right, ready? Let's get ready. Okay, here's one now. Ready? Hands up like this, fighting stance. All right, so this one, here's what we got to do. We're going to practice a triple jab. Everyone say triple jab. Good. Okay, 3 jabs with your left hand. Everyone go. Everyone say hana. Do it. Set. Awesome. Good job, you guys. Awesome. Oh, there's another knight over here. Okay, for this one, we got to go triple jab cross. Okay, let's try it together. Everyone say jab, 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 cross. Awesome. Good job, you guys. Awesome. All right, let's come back over here. Okay, now this one, we got to practice a triple jab cross, knee, round kick. Okay, so let's practice that together. Everyone say jab, 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 cross, knee, round kick. Awesome. Good job, you guys. Awesome. All right, one more. Let's see right over here. Ready? Now for this one, it's a little more challenging. We're going to do 10 jab crosses, and then we're going to throw an uppercut at the very end, just like the Flash. Okay, let's go really fast. 10 jab crosses. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then we're going to charge up this hand. Charge it up, charge it up, charge it up. Uppercut. Awesome. Very good job, you guys. Well, I don't see velocity 9 anywhere. Do you guys see it? Where? Over here? Oh, it's on the ground here. Okay, let's get it. Whoa. Somebody took it. Someone really fast. Let me try it over here. Oh. Huh. Is there someone behind me? Oh, it's reverse flash. Uh-oh, you guys. Reverse flash has gotten velocity 9 before we did. What are we going to do? I guess we have to fight him off. Okay, now here's the thing. Reverse flash is very, very quick. So when he attacks us, we're going to practice slipping and rolling under his punches to make sure we don't get hit. Okay, so hands up like this, fighting stance. Okay, ready? He's going to punch right at us. We got to go slip. Ready to go slip. Good, nice. Now just to review what a slip is, we're going to take our knees, okay? We're going to turn our shoulders and keeping our hands up here. Now when we slip, we turn our shoulders. Make sure you're not standing like this. Make sure you have 1 foot back, okay? All right, you guys, let's go and slip together. Everyone go slip. Good, slip. Good, slip. Good, slip. Awesome. All right, let's throw some 5 punches really quick. 5 jabs. Everyone go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Awesome job, you guys. All right, get ready to slip again. Ready to go slip. Good, slip. 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 Awesome. All right, 5 jabs really quick. Ready to go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Awesome. Good job, you guys. Well, looks like he took off. So we got ourselves the second vial of velocity 9, the second one that we need. Okay, so let's go ahead and put it inside the timeline there. Awesome. Now we got one more timeline to fix, which is the feudal Japan. Okay, Japan a long time ago. So let's go there. Awesome. Wow, this is awesome. Awesome, awesome. We are in a palace. Now, if I'm correct, I think at this moment, we might be facing off some ninjas. They might be here somewhere. Do you guys see them in the background? Where, here? Oh, no? How about here? No? Uh-oh. Is there one above my head now? Oh! All right, guys, we gotta fight off some ninjas. Now, the only way to defeat the ninjas is with side kicks today. So just to review what a side kick is. A side kick is when you take your knee like this and you thrust out just like that. Does that make sense? Okay, so here's what's gonna happen. There's gonna be a bunch of ninjas coming at us. As they come towards us, we're gonna pick up our leg and we're gonna throw a side kick really fast. Does that make sense? Awesome. All right, have hands up like fighting stance. Ready, and side kick. Awesome, good job, you guys. Side kick. Good, good, good. Side kick. Good, good job. Side kick. Good, side kick. Good, one more, side kick. Awesome job, you guys. All right, let's skip to this side. Let's do this leg now. Ready? Hands up, fighting stance, and side kick. Awesome, good job, you guys. Side kick. Good, good, side kick. Good, 2 more times, side kick. Good, side kick. Awesome, good job, you guys. High five. Awesome, awesome. Look at that. We got our next, the final one of velocity 9. So we've collected them all. We fixed the timelines. Very good job, you guys. Now, for this next part, I want you guys to go and have a seat. Go and sit down, crisscross, get comfortable. Dojo's got a new story for us today, okay? All right, Dojo, can you come over here, buddy? Awesome, all right. Let's see what story Dojo has for us today.
Rylan and Stephen were brothers. Rylan was 7 years old, and his younger brother Stephen was 4 years old. Rylan was a proud big brother, and always wanted to take care of his younger brother Stephen. Rylan would help Stephen brush his teeth, he would help him put on his shirt, and sometimes he would even teach him moves that he learned from Master Kelly. However, one day Stephen was different. He would always fight Rylan back. He would hit him whenever he tried to brush his teeth. He would grab the t-shirt and try to put it on himself. He didn't want anybody's help, even from his own parents. This made Rylan very sad, so he asked Mom, "Mom, why does Stephen not want me to help him do anything? Does he not love me anymore?" Rylan's mom smiled and said, "No, son, he still loves you. You see, Stephen doesn't want to be a baby anymore. He wants to be independent. That means he wants to do things himself. Let me ask you a question, Rylan. Do you brush your own teeth?" Rylan said, "Yes." "And do you clean up your toys by yourself?" Rylan nodded. "How about cleaning your dishes when you finish dinner?" Rylan nodded and said, "Yes, but why does this matter, Mom?" "You see, you set a good example for Stephen. Stephen wants to be just like his big brother, so that's why he doesn't want anybody's help. If we always help Stephen with everything, he may not be as strong as a boy as you." At that moment, Rylan started giving Stephen different ways to become more independent. He wouldn't clean his toys, but would challenge Stephen to a race to clean up and see who gets faster. When it comes to putting on clothes, instead of doing it for him, Rylan would show Stephen how to do it himself by putting his arm through the sleeve. Sometimes, Stephen would still need help with little things, but Rylan would always give Stephen a chance to help himself, so long as he wouldn't hurt himself doing something.
Awesome job, you guys. You guys did a fantastic job today. Hope you guys learned a lesson from that story. Now, let's go ahead and figure out who's going to be the winner of our newest giveaway, okay? Let's see. Awesome, so if this is you, parents, if this is your child's channel, please message me in the About page section so I get your contact info. So here's what we're gonna do next. Let's see what you're gonna win today. Awesome, all right, well, today the winner prize is gonna be a kicking shield. So, like I said before, if you are the username, if you see this username, if it's your username, or parents, if this is your child's channel, please message me in the About page section of my channel so I get your contact info so that way I can send it to you guys, okay? Hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day. Face here, Chariot. Kanye. All right, guys, see you all later. Bye-bye.